Good afternoon, children. Welcome to English class. In this session, we are going to answer question answers. Children, chapter 1, The Master Artist. We have 5 questions. I'll explain those 5 questions now. Listening to my explanation, try to answer these questions and post me through WhatsApp. First question. Pick out 2 sentences that show that Monsieur Labe was a famous and respected artist of his time. If you look at 1, 2, 3 paragraphs of this lesson, in the first paragraph, it is said that he was given a title, the Master Artist. And in the second line, it is said that he is going to retire in a month. So it is not easy to get a title, the Master Artist, isn't it? So when a person is very talented, then only titles will be given to them. When he has the ability to get a title, and we can say that he is a famous person. Secondly, he is going to retire in a month. Who will be getting this retirement, children? Mostly the government employees. So he is respected as a government employee. He is a respected person. And thirdly, when Bartoli asked him to draw his portrait, he demanded, thinking of his future, Labe demanded that he could draw only on one condition. The condition is to provide food and shelter to him. Isn't it? So these 3. First one, getting a title. Second one, getting retirement. And third one, demand. When you have talent, then only you can demand. Isn't it? So these 3 surely give us proof that Labe was a famous and respected artist of his time. Question 2. How did the guild control painters? Guild is the person who gives directions to the painters. So here in this 4th paragraph, we have the answer. So if you see this 4th paragraph, you can find this sentence. But the guild, his craft and livelihood, would never have allowed it, so he followed their rules, although he was never proud of it. So this sentences describe that Labe was a talented artist. In spite of that, he always used to follow his guild. Means who used to instruct or give some directions to follow the pattern of painting. So how he used to control? He used to instruct him, give him directions about his craft and livelihood. And also at times, he as an artist, he has his own talent. Keeping it aside, he used to follow the rules and regulations that have been given to him. Isn't it? So in this way, the guild used to control painters. Next question. Question 3. Why do you think Labe told Bartoli that he didn't have a pose for him? Do you think there is another reason other than that he had a good memory for this unusual statement? This third question answer you can find from para 2 and 4. The question says that when Bartoli asked Labe to paint, this Labe was ready to paint, and also he said that no need to give any pose. Pose means posture, an angle to sit. So generally painters or artists, how do they draw pictures of others? They make the person to sit beside them, looking at the face features. They do the art on a paper. Here, Labe is asking not to give any pose. Why? Because he is a brilliant artist. Once he looks at a face, he can recollect that face in his imagination and give a color to it. Isn't it? So, this statement, do you agree that he is really brilliant? He had a good memory? This is your answer, children. You try to answer. If you say yes, you have to answer. Why do you think Labe told Bartoli that he didn't have to pose for him? Because he is brilliant. Do you think there is another reason other than this? Do you think any other reason? There might be. The reason behind it might be he want to show how brilliant he is, so that he may get any other chances in the future. Okay, question 4. How long did the masterpiece take? Do you know why? How long, children? Coming to paragraph 13 of this lesson, if you see the starting of it, another 3-4 months passed and finally half a year went by. So when it is given, Bartoli asked Labe to draw. Labe demanded Bartoli that no one should look at his picture and he may take his time to draw it. So Bartoli was waiting. Weeks passed. In the 7th paragraph we have weeks passed, but he didn't. Then months passed. How many months? 3-4 months passed, and finally even half a year went by, but Labe couldn't complete Bartoli's portrait. Question 5. The author mentions 6 signs of Bartoli's genuine astonishment when he saw the portrait. What are they? All these 6 signs of Bartoli's are clearly mentioned in paragraph 15. If you go through them, you can write it down, children. So if you still have any more doubts regarding these questions, you can post a message through WhatsApp. I will answer you. Fine, children. I hope you understood my explanation. Read the lesson once again and try to answer these 5 question answers. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye.